sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low?
Our town is destroyed,
So take a deep
and
breath
it hurts.
You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if
You could see the water come up, making sure that all our family is safe. We just kept looking at the water, and it just kept getting higher and higher from 4 in the morning to 7 in the morning.
and although time may take us into different places, I will still
We prayed a lot, and we just praised God, and we were rescued.
I won't let go. I'll be your life.
There's this sense of sadness that they have left behind, some of them, homes that they fear will not be there when they get back. But they realize they made a wise decision by putting their life first and protecting their life, knowing that they can always go back and rebuild.
'Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know. It's how we learn and how we grow. And I wanna lay with you.
When I opened the door, more water rushed in, and all of my stuff flew out, and like it just kept coming in. All I could grab was my wallet and my phone. That's all I knew to grab.
I would jump right over into cold, cold
is estimating the potential price tag for damage to be at least $40 billion in reconstruction costs, with more than 200,000 homes at risk. Time will tell where Harvey's impact will be remembered in history.
And I hope you know I won't let go. I won't let go. No, 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 no. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go.
The nation's fourth largest city, Houston, bracing for catastrophic flooding throughout, expecting more than 15 inches of rain over the next 5 days.
We have nothing left.
Take me home, somewhere I can rest my soul. I need to